Hi, I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to quickly show you my really inexpensive beach shower setup and all the components that go into that. First, we're going to look at a little demonstration, and we're going to look at the individual components for that beach shower setup, and I'll tell you exactly where to find those. And let's look at a quick demonstration on how I use my beach shower setup. What I want to show you is our beach shower. We have the shower nozzle just hooked up on the edge of the truck cap, and the line goes down here to the tailgate. This is the actual pump itself, and this is my makeshift shower. I'm going to drop that pump right into this 5-gallon water bottle here, and here is the power button. So this just comes off real easy. I had to measure to make sure that this pump would fit in there. So we have 3 inches and 3/8 as the width of this opening here. So that is documented with this tape measure. In there. A lot of the other water containers I was looking at did not have a very large opening here, which would not allow this pump to go in there. So you just drop that in there, and then let's press the power button here, and we have a shower. Voila! Like an Irish spring baby now. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that demonstration. As you can see, it's a very simple setup and it's not much to it all. It only involves 2 different components, and I'm going to show you exactly where to find those components to make up your own beach shower on Amazon. First, we're going to start with the Scepter 5-gallon can. This is a military grade water can. And for those of you who use a metric system, this is a 20-liter can. But for those of us here in America, this is a 5-gallon can. And the second component that makes up this beach shower unit is the in-home beach shower camp unit. Now, I don't want you to have any problems finding these because there's a lot of different choices out there, and I had to do a lot of research. So what I'll do is I'll provide the affiliate links below in the description box, and that will take you straight to the affiliate links from Amazon, so that you can get your very own beach shower setup. And as always with affiliate links, I do earn from that, but it does not add any additional cost to you. So if you've really got some value out of this and you've really enjoyed this episode on how to make your own beach shower, be sure and hit that like button so that other overlanders can also find out how to make their very own beach shower setup.